Here's how to news trade the ISM Services PMI event. 3 steps. 1, you want to find strength and weakness and buy strength and sell weakness. Number 2, you want to trade the shock. And number 3, you want to remember the context, right? So number 1, you want to start by finding a pair, currency pair, commodity, whatever, that is currently strong and trending, right? Because if you get a positive print in addition to that strength, it's going to cause that currency pair or commodity or whatever to continue to move, and you're going to get more points, more pips, more cash out of it. You also want to find a weak pair, because if it comes out weak, then you want to pair that news event with that weak pair. So it just has this extra reason to continue to fall. Okay, second thing is you want to trade the shock. And for this, we have to go to the calendar. Okay, we're here at the calendar, and the first tip is you want to avoid these free types of calendars like FX Street or Forex Factory. Not that they're bad generally, it's just they don't give you the key information you need to know to identify, is this a shock to the market? All they really give you is this consensus number and a previous number. And the consensus number is just an average of all of the participants surveyed and what they think this ISM services number will be. But what you need to know is you need a professional calendar like this, and this professional calendar gives you the full range of expectations. So what it's saying for ISM in this case is it's saying the number should be between this 49.8 and 52.5. If it is between these two numbers, the full range of expectations probably not going to move the market that much, right? Because everybody, the big banks and the analysts, they expected this. But if it's outside this number, that's what you really need to identify that shock. And then you take the shock and you pair it with a strong or weak currency, and that's where you have your trade. Now, in this calendar, right, the actual number will come out here and it'll identify with a lightning bolt immediately to show you, okay, is it outside the range of analysts' expectations? Now, the final thing you need to keep in mind is the context. ISM non-manufacturing PMIs, it's technically a red event, but it's not as tier 1 as like an inflation, employment, PCE and that sort of thing. So don't expect a ton of pips out of this. What you want to do, or points, what you want to do is you want to get in as soon as you see this outside the full range of expectations, and you want to pair it with a stronger weak currency or stronger weak, Bitcoin or whatever else you want to do. Jump in immediately and just try to scalp a few points off of this. It's generally not going to create a trend for the rest of the day. Oh, and by the way, if you need any help identifying strong and weak pairs and currency on a fundamental basis, you can check out our macro snapshot. You can also pick up a professional economic calendar at Financial Source as well.